So we had a quick little fitting change in there, and yes, I know I need to tighten that motor mount bolt. They'll get a nut and bolt check once everything's done, but we followed the lines down and to the mocked up cooler and the junk fittings. Technically they're not junk, I think it's just the AN line that I ordered wasn't compatible with that push lock is what it must have been. So we'll swap those fittings out and we'll keep these for another project down the road. But now I want to jump into these diff bushings, so let's get a time lapse going for the longest thing ever. So with the coils out, I'll hop down here. Oh, you guys aren't gonna be able to see anything. Undid, where is it? I can't even reach it with the brace. And then we got the exhaust out from the other side. We got the brake lines undone. So now it should be as simple as one-handedly putting a 17 on there. We got the jack supporting it. Jack stands under. And let's see what happens here. Ooh, when your Milwaukee doesn't want to. Round 2, one-handed. Got it on 3. Oh, you're gonna be too tall, aren't you? Well, that might be fun. Round 3. Next. It's always nice to have a little leverage. Oh. Move you guys here. See? You guys gotta see this. Ooh, swing on the camera. The center of the diff bushing. It is obviously the next day, which is Easter. Kids out playing and stuff. Got ourselves a little Easter present here, which it is a tiny guy, but we have some plans for that. But the main thing about today is we're going to be swapping over to a fancy boy to get this stuff done, and with that we are hoping quality of the channel goes up, content goes up, and we're going to start trying to film everything. So one bushing down from yesterday, which kicked my butt and exhausted my Sawzall blades. So we got 2, 3, and 4, and tons more Sawzall blades. So, how many times can you beat the crap out of your hands? Ooh, that one hurts. Before, oh, you just want to give up. But following Officer Dan's tips, ran a burbit through all of these until nothing catches my fingers. I didn't nick a spot in a few places, but it's mainly the top lip, and they pound in through the bottom. Like, don't do that. And so we're gonna go through and continue doing this. Let's see here. Pound all the way until they seat on the bottom. And this time we'll bring you through for an actual procedure on this one here, down here. Now, let's see if this works. I'll take one order GK Tech, please. And now with the GK Tech stuff installed, coils back in and everything tightened down. Oh, it's hot in here, but it smells good now because of the air fresheners that I got. Let's dig this out. Try and hold the camera while we do it. But I want to treat myself to being able to run it again. And if you look at this, you can see it's not exactly even straight anymore. And looking inside, see if we can get some light in the GoPro to focus. It's actually destroyed. Someone went through and welded it all up trying to fix it. And so yes, we are sacrificing some surface area and some size, but the Yonaka one's still rated at 275, and we're never gonna make anything more than that, so we're gonna go ahead and use this guy. What is that? I know, those are ugly as crap. I gotta paint those to match the body because the fenders are done. And they're good, the skirts are done. That's my hand in the way. But at least we could see it with the face. And we can see that we deleted some couplers and some clamps in this busted thing. But let's check underneath everything. And this guy off for good measure, because it seems like a good idea. Set all that there. Finally cleaning up my mess from the day. But oh hey, that fell. This will get a bracket tomorrow. Something angled off of this just to capture this one side. Then we'll make a bumper. But there it is. We're just gonna throw some bolts through there. Everything holds up nice. It fits under the hood again. And we can see we just went through, and they're nothing too fancy, but they're not gonna leak and they're gonna hold. And everything fits and clears the wheels again, most importantly. This will elbow suck to do. Gotta solder these wires and pull the slack out of them. But starting to get progress. We got a catch can coming to delete the air oil separator, and obviously more parts and a box full of stuff in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get all that stuff put together in the next day or two, hopefully, maybe, kind of. So we will get some paint done today after the video is over, so I can get the front end back on. But that means gauges, get the driveline in, fill everything back up with fluids, and I think we're gonna go back out and start test driving this. So next video or two, and we can get some street stuff done. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one, and you guys know what that means.